Welcome to part 2 of this video series. In this part, I'll be walking you through the build pipeline of this project. As you can see, I'm in the project section of my Azure DevOps. The name of my repository is automating stuff, and also the project's name is automating stuff. So it's a very basic .NET application where I've just made some changes in the landing page of this application. Otherwise, you can see the repository structure here. So we'll go through the pipeline right now, which is the build pipeline, and I'll walk you through step by step how this pipeline will be executed. My apologies for the bad internet speed right now. But yeah, here we are now, almost there. All right, let's start now. As you can see, I've commented out the trigger section, as we'll be running this pipeline manually. So this pipeline will be running on a Ubuntu agent, Ubuntu VM, and there's some variables that we'll be using. This is the stage. We'll be checking out our repository, self-checking out our repository. We're using .NET version 8 for our application. Then we'll be having restoring all the dependencies and the libraries and packages in our project. Once later, they'll be building a chproj and finally publishing it in the artifact in the pipeline. So these are the default system variables, build.artifact staging directory, where we'll be publishing our artifact named as .NET application in the same pipeline. So I'll run this pipeline manually now, and we'll see what would be the result of it. So as you can see, the status is queued. We'll be getting a pool from Microsoft hosted agents. The checkout is successful. You can see the .NET version 8 SDK version is installed. We'll be using great. The application is built successfully and now published. That's great. That's great to see. Now finally we can also see the artifact is published here in the pipeline, and it's a 2 megabyte, and we'll be using this artifact in our later stages to deploy our application. Great, that's it for the part 2. Thank you, and see you in the next part of the video.